If you're looking to make a psychology cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a psychology niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we have to start to think, what was someone interested in psychology, what would they be looking up? So as I look up information about to see if your crush likes you or not, the first three options that come up are great options because it doesn't look like there's a personality behind these kind of videos. So any option is a great option. Let's go click the first one and check it out. So I can see that the video starts off with some free stock footage that you can easily download. And it's just showing different people describing different events, how someone might be feeling. The video also has some subtitles in the background so you can follow along with what the narrator is saying. Now the video is giving you information on what according to psychology might say. There's also a voiceover in the background talking about the different signs that your crush likes you. These are key elements that you can include in your videos to make your process even easier. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, I can see that this video got over 750,000 views. The channel Social Psychology Masters has close to 500,000 subscribers, and the video has some great engagement as it is close to 1,000 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has any other tips and tricks. I can see a lot of the thumbnails use whiteboard animations, simple cartoons, just to attract you to click on their videos even more. And the type of content that they're producing is psychology related, as they're giving you signs and tips to see if a person likes you or is attracted to you. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below. What are your favorite psychology tricks? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go check out how many views this channel is gaining and how much money they're making in ad revenue alone. So if I go into this website, I can now see the channel statistic. As I scroll down, I can see that this channel has gained in over 3 million views in just the past 30 days, which is a large audience to be attracting. In their monthly revenue, this channel is making those 5 figures a month, clocking in over $13,000. And in their yearly earnings, this channel has achieved those 6 figures, as they're clocking in over 150,000 throughout the year. Not too shabby for a side hustle that pays you by people watching the ads on your videos. Now let's see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage. Let's go collect our sounds. And let's go put them together. And no, you don't even need a psychology degree to make these kind of videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is easier than understanding how the brain works. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the psychology niche does get the green light stamp of approval. Now I do recommend being as specific as you can when you're investigating your sub niche. But this niche is great because it is a sub niche of the relationships niche. And we went over that the relationships niche is one of the big 3 when it comes to evergreen content. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now I do want to let you guys know that the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we explored, I highly recommend using them as inspiration. Try not to copy and be as original as you can when creating your own content. And don't worry if this wasn't the niche for you because we're going to be exploring other niches in future videos as well. But let's say this is the niche for you, you now have 2 options. You have option A. You can't do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grid if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.